So at the start of this year, which was basically just a few days ago now, Mickey Mouse, or at least the first Mickey Mouse cartoon, Steamboat Willie, which I think technically isn't even the first, entered the public domain in the United States, and with that we've already seen multiple game adaptations and other works based on Mickey Mouse, now that people have free reign over the original incarnation of the character, at least as it appears in Steamboat Willie. Similar to how horror movie came out with Winnie the Pooh when that entered the public domain, we've already gotten a horror, not movie, but horror game for Mickey Mouse. One of them is called Infestation Origins, which has had its name changed. It's interesting to see how there's already been horror games using this character. Of course, like vintage cartoons have been a great place for horror previously, because it can be something eerie about this old stuff that's sort of antiquated, a bit spooky, less sophisticated. And we've had horror games in the past. We've had Bendy and the Ink Machine, which is based on rubber hose style cartoons, and our studio that produced them come to life basically. So that is in a way very similar, because Mickey Mouse and lots of early cartoons of that sort of era were also these rubber hose cartoons. So Infestation Origins and games like it, they're using Mickey Mouse, are really quite similar to that. It'll be interesting to see what other horror games and what other interesting media comes out of Mickey Mouse now entering the public domain. Although I'm a bit worried that, given that it is only the original incarnation of Mickey Mouse, anything that's a bit too close to any of the later adaptations, and Mickey Mouse has had a lot of adaptations over the years, Disney can still claim copyright to those, which could be concerning if someone's releasing their own slight modification on Mickey Mouse and just happens to, even through a pure coincidence, have some of the features that are present in the later day Mickey Mouse, because then they could still be sued for copyright infringement. And additionally, Mickey Mouse in the title is obviously still trademarked by the Walt Disney Company. One interesting thing about Infestation Origins, however, is that it's set in the 1980s, which I think is a bit of a weird time for something based on early Walt Disney cartoons. Obviously, Walt Disney's cartoons and Steamboat Willie was quite a while before that, I believe 1928, so Infestation Origins, at least the original name, was 88, or Infestation 88, which was set in 1988, which is 60 years after the cartoon that it's based on came out, which is a bit of a weird choice. But if you have any thoughts about the game or anything that's coming out of this, certainly leave those in the comments down below. Like the video if you liked, comments, any other thoughts you have or suggestions for future videos, and subscribe so you don't miss any videos like this in the future.